What's up, everyone? Welcome back. Not doing a trick today, more so a technique, a very important technique in skateboarding anytime you're dealing with any sort of transition. And it's so important. I would say it's like the oxygen of skateboarding, or the H2O, the water of skateboarding, because it's so vital to really keeping your momentum and just having fun on any sort of ramp or bank. It just really puts everything together. So to drop in, or to learn how to go up a ramp to fakie is one thing, but to really maintain speed is what's important for linking together lines, and really just getting comfortable on any sort of incline or transition. So it's called pumping, and it's basically when you're timing out the bending of your knees and pressing off of the incline so that you can keep your momentum. You can see here that this is me dropping in without pumping, and this is me dropping in with pumping. So you can see that I actually go much faster. And the same here on a vert ramp, where from each wall to wall I could start from the bottom and end up getting towards the top. And this is just basically from using my energy to really press off of the incline and just go faster. So it's really just about the timing of bending your knees and just pushing away. Like if you've ever completed a lap in a pool where you flip and then you push and you turn, you're kind of pushing off the wall. You want to think of it the same way as bending your knees and kind of pushing away from the incline to get even more speed than you normally would. So just a very important technique. Short video again today. I would recommend just trying this on your local quarter pipe, mini ramp, bowl. It's really important for any sort of transition. Like I said, it's the difference between coming to a complete stop and being able to keep your own momentum going, and it tires you out over time, but it's really, really important for learning how to skate any transition. So just thought it was worth mentioning again. Thank you guys for watching. As always, leave your comments below for any tricks in the future, flat ground, grinds, slides, transition, anything in skateboarding. See you next time.